You only have a phone, but you want to create stunning AI videos. No camera skills. No editing experience. Just your smartphone. Today, I will show you how to make videos with AI, step by step. Step 1. Use AI to write your video script. Simply tell the AI what your video is about. Step 2. Turn your text into a natural AI voice. Choose a calm, clear voice that sounds human and friendly. Step 3. Create images or videos using AI. AI can generate characters, scenes, and animations for your video. Step 4. Edit everything directly on your phone. In just a few minutes,